iPhone SE 2 first appeared live. However, not everyone agrees that this is iPhone SE 2 just yesterday. New high-quality renderings of the iPhone SE 2 compact smartphone appeared on the web, which should be presented in the first half of next year. Now, a video has been circulated on social networks, which, presumably, shows the upcoming iPhone SE 2. He was just taken out of the box and first turned on to the camera. However, the well-known insider and designer Ben Gaskin, who created many correct renderings of different iPhone models before their announcement, claims that this is not the iPhone SE 2. According to the information from this network source, in the video we are shown a unique version of the iPhone 11 Pro with a flat side panel that was created by enthusiasts. In any case, the video deserves you to rate it. Obviously this is not the iPhone SE 2, but iPhone 11 Pro with custom squared off sides. But I like this video because it gives us a good idea how number iPhone 12 could look like person raising both hands in celebration. According to rumors, the iPhone SE 2 will receive a 4.7-inch LCD screen, Apple A13 single-chip system, 3 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64/128 GB of NAND flash memory.